Amid the destruction of Hurricane Michael, 3 fire stations in Bay County were destroyed, including Station 8 in Southport. Now, as we approach the 2-year anniversary of the storm, the Southport and Hiland Park stations are back to normal operations at their new and improved facilities. As News 13's Anna Hoffman tells us, the new stations are functional, allow for more flexibility, and are ready to withstand whatever the future holds.
It has been a long journey since Hurricane Michael made landfall, but the firefighters at Station 8 are finally getting back in motion.
Our response times are back like they were before. Our manning is back like it was prior to the storm. So we're very happy to be back in this place.
Firefighters call their new home a fire station in a box. The forward-thinking structure can be made in 4 to 6 months at a low cost and serve the community for roughly 30 years. Although they can be permanent, the box can be picked up and moved if needed.
The great thing about these stations is we can reuse them. We can relocate them to other areas of the county, more remote areas, as we expand our fire protection capabilities.
Another new amenity added here at Station 8 is a brand new living quarters separate from the truck bays, where the firefighters can stay if they are on duty or needing a place to sleep while on call.
We took the living quarters outside of the structure, and they each have their own individualized entry and exit into their rooms.
The extra space allows firefighters to have privacy. Although they would eventually like to have a brick and mortar station, the Sprung structure is a perfect home for the team and is built to withstand future unpredictable events.
It's flexible, it's relocatable, it can be reused, and it's about 1/3 of the time and 1/3 of the cost to install the structure itself. It was a perfect solution for Bay County.
In Bay County, Anna Hoffman, News 13, Panhandle Strong.